Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I'll not be doing any sort of unboxings or reviews. We'll be talking about all the stuff happening at CES 2020. You guys know, right? CES stands for Consumer Electronics Show. So it's happening right now in Las Vegas. So it's just a 3 or 4 day tech show. It's actually the biggest tech show and a lot of products and new technologies are showcased over there. And I have been checking out this stuff, and I was quite surprised by looking at all the new technology that's coming in 2020. I actually wanted to go to CES to Las Vegas, but I had a lot of work on board, a lot of reviews to cover, and that's why I couldn't make out time for this trip. But don't worry, I'll try to go to CES next year. But I have a secret to tell you all guys. I am actually going on an international trip next week. Even this is a tech related event where all the latest products of 2020 will be showcased. I don't want to reveal any more about that. I'll just keep it as a secret. So you'll have to stay tuned to my channel to know more about this in the upcoming week. Keeping that aside, what I've done is I've written down my favorite, all the new products and technologies of that we've seen at CES 2020 in this paper over here. So we'll be discussing all about that in this video. So first of all, let's discuss all the special things that happened during this year. First of all, let's talk about my favorite topic, gaming. Sony is coming up with their brand new PlayStation 5, guys. Yes, that is happening. So recently Xbox has launched their Xbox Series X gaming console, right? So that will be available in later 2020 during the holiday season. So Sony also has to give a quite tough competition, right? That's why they're coming up with the PlayStation 5. They actually didn't announce the console or didn't showcase their console. They just showed the logo. Like seriously, Sony, only the logo? The console will be coming up later in third quarter or fourth quarter of 2020. I'm like super excited for that. It will be a complete AMD powered console. It will be having the latest 8-core AMD CPU and as well as awesome GPU. So yeah, I can't wait to check out Sony's new PlayStation 5. I'll definitely be getting that. And also, who would have thought that Sony would launch a car? Sony has launched their brand new, it's a concept car, guys, and is called as the Vision S. It's an electric concept car and comes with some awesome hi-fi audio equipment. You guys have to actually check out this on their website. It's pretty cool. I don't think it will be going on sale. It's just like a concept sort of car made by Sony. So that was, these were some pretty good things. Alright, so what I'll be doing is I'll be covering all these products category wise. First, we'll talk about the TVs. So there were a lot of TVs launched during CES 2020, and out of that, a few of them actually grabbed my attention. Samsung has unveiled the largest TV, guys. It's called the Wall, and it's a 292-inch micro LED TV. Like, it's so big, guys, that is awesome. You have to see the pictures to believe that. And along with that, they've also come up with a lot of other QLED 8K TVs with 99% screen to body ratio, like a bezel-less TV. Wow, that was really cool. And along with that, LG has also launched some other, foldable TVs, OLED TVs, ranging from 77 to 88 inches. Pretty cool TVs. All of them were 4K TVs. Yeah, so these were a few special TVs that grabbed my attention. Now coming to the next category, I'll tell you about the smartphones. You might have already known about OnePlus latest concept phone, right? I don't need to talk about that. It's quite popular right now. Along with that, Samsung has also launched their brand new phones, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite as well as S10 Lite. These offer like great features at a very affordable price tag. And along with that, TCL, right? TCL is also a pretty good brand. They've also come into this foldable smartphone category section. They made a foldable concept phone with 5G. So we'll have to see about that. I'm not sure if it will be coming to India, but yeah, they are definitely coming into these sort of concept categories as well. Along with that, now let's talk about cameras. Canon has launched their most advanced flagship camera, guys, the 1DX Mark III. 1DX Mark III is a supercharged and a monster camera, guys. It's a DSLR. It's got supercharged features like a 20.1 megapixel full frame sensor and is capable of shooting 5.5K raw video. Pretty awesome, right? Along with that, it also has 4K 60 capability and internal 10-bit 422 video recording. Pretty good. And there's also a new 360 camera available in the market from Insta360. You might already know Insta360 is quite popular. They've launched this new model called as the Insta360 1R. It's a modular action camera, so you can use it as an action camera, or it's got an attachment by using which you can convert it into a 360 camera. Pretty cool. So those were about the camera section which caught my attention. And coming to gaming section, Asus has launched some pretty good products, like they've come up with the world's first 360Hz gaming monitor. Like we've seen 144Hz, we've seen 240Hz, but 360Hz, that is crazy. It comes from their ROG category section and also is powered by Ultimate G-Sync technology. So 360Hz plus G-Sync, wow, I can't wait to see how that thing looks like. I'm not sure when that will be coming to India, but I'll definitely make a video on that. Along with that, they've also launched some new gaming laptops, Zephyrus series, Tough series gaming laptops, which will be coming soon to India later in 2020. And coming to AMD, AMD has also launched their new CPUs, the Ryzen 4000 series CPUs, as well as a new Threadripper and a new GPU, the 5600 XT, made for ultimate 1080p gaming at a very affordable price tag. So yeah, these were some stuff which caught my attention, and these were mostly launched in first or second day of CES, guys. CES is still running. I think it's just 1 or 2 days left for the event to close. So yeah, if I find anything more interesting, I'll definitely let you know in my upcoming video. So what product did you like during the CES 2020, guys? Do share your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'd love to read your comments. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in my next one.